Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news update for Wednesday, March 30th, 2016. And in our bits of news today, we have word that Microsoft is working on a way to actually use Linux or mostly Ubuntu software with Windows 10. And this is kind of intriguing. People have been talking about that. It seems that there's a partnership that was made between Microsoft and Canonical that has Ubuntu Linux. And basically, what we're thinking is that there could be a possibility to run Ubuntu or Ubuntu software, which is a Linux distro, in Windows 10 eventually. That is very interesting, especially thinking that for a long time, Microsoft has said that Linux was kind of a bad thing and that it shouldn't be touched. And it started a few weeks ago with Microsoft opening its server stuff with Linux possibilities, and now we're talking about Ubuntu and Windows 10. Time sure has changed, so that's going to be interesting to see what it brings to our Windows, operating systems, basically. Build 2016 is opening today, and in not very long before after I post this video, first keynote. Of course, I'll be watching and I'll be commenting the keynote itself, and we'll be, of course, I'll be posting a video, an update video of the Build conference or a keynote today. And if you can't watch live, I'll give you the highlights of what's gonna happen today. Starts at 8:30 Pacific Daylight Time. That's 11:30 Eastern Daylight Time, or 15:30 Universal Time, and is available on the build.microsoft.com website, where you have you'll have the live video feed. Windows 10 Redstone, we're getting more and more information, and one of the information that's pretty cool is that we're learning that first today we'll have a little more information about what the new features of Windows 10 and Redstone going to be. But we know that Action Center in Cortana will get revamped and will have a new way of actually addressing and sending us information. That's going to be very interesting, and apparently we'll probably see a demo of this today and the first keynote of Build conference. So that's going to be real cool to check it out. And it gives us an idea that there's going to be a lot of features that are going to pop up for sure in the Redstone update. And what's interesting is that documents point to version of Windows 10, which will be 16.07. So 16.07 version of Windows 10 would mean that Redstone update would come somewhere in July of 2016. As you know, if we look at version 15.11, that was November for 11, and 15 for 2015. 16.07 would mean 2016, month of July. So that's interesting. SoundCloud has a music service called Go Music that they are starting up in the United States with all you can eat music, or all you can hear, for $9.99. So it joins Groove Music, Google Play, and all the music passes and the services where you can stream pretty much everything you want for a monthly fee. And we did learn that this was apparently the #1 way right now that services, that basically the record companies get money out of basically the artists and out of the music right now. So it's pretty cool. So like we said in our last bits of news, the Action Center in Cortana will be revamped. So that's going to be interesting to see, and apparently we'll have a demo today in the Build conference live. So of course I'll be talking about this later on today, and watch our videos if you can't watch the live keynote. So this was our little tech news update for Wednesday, March 30th, 2016. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Maybe you have a video of a feature of Windows that you'd like us to post. Let us know also. Give us thumbs up, and why not subscribe if you like our videos.